Welcome traders. In this tutorial I'm going to step you through how to set up your strategies inside Trading Vault. So to do that we just want to come over here into our menu and click the strategies button. Now firstly you get an unlimited number of strategies, so you can set up as many as you want and swap and change those around. So this is the strategy screen. Okay, if you've just started your profile you'll see a few default ones in there for you, so you are free to rename them and get going from there, or otherwise we can just create some more. So to do that, what we want to do is just come down, hit the create strategy button and put in whatever name you want in here. So let's just go for wedge break and retest strategy. Let's just make something up, hit create, and then it's right down there at the bottom. So if you click on that, you can then go into a screen where you can set up a few things for it. Your alt name is just an abbreviation for it. It is limited for a character limit, and that's just so when it shows up on the graphs and in the tables it doesn't take up too much space. So we will just call this we'll just make it wedge, and then below that you've got this description space, which is there for you to put in whatever information you want about the strategies. It has the same rich text editor that you get when you're editing your trade summaries, so you can go nuts and do whatever you want in there. So maybe you want to chuck a heading on there and type in your requirements, and then you can list out a whole bunch of stuff there. Maybe you have some particular lessons you've learned over time, you can chuck those in there. So you're free again just to do whatever you want, just to make yourself some notes as a nice quick reference point when you're inside Trading Vault. You can just jump in here and reread those before you take a trade. Other than that, once you've got your trade strategy set up, you can rearrange them by clicking the little handle on the left there, and you can drag these around, put them wherever you want. Okay, so if you want to put your more important ones up the top, maybe, or the ones you use more often, because they will then appear in that order in all the other places throughout the app. After that, last thing you got is you can delete strategies. Okay, so you just come over here and you click on the menu button, you'll see you get a delete option there. Now it is grayed out for some strategies if you've got any trades on. So if a strategy has trades that are using it, you cannot delete that strategy. That's just for a safety reason in the app. Okay, it can't be removed, so you will need to go through and delete all those individual trades first, and then come in here and delete the strategy if you want to get rid of it. Otherwise, if we find the strategy we just added, instead you click on it, you see there it's now highlighting. I can click through that and then hit delete, and it will be gone from the program. So there we have it, guys. That is the strategies page and how to use it. Make sure you drop them all in there. Super easy to do. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below.